Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing, another whatnot unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. To my right, I got the Fred this is another whatnot video. Sorry for the streamer, I cannot pronounce your name. Letsvlogwith Collectibles. It's one person box, and I'll get right back to you. Hey Jelly Beans, I'm back. Yesterday I filmed the intro of my video. With my brother Fred This is still a video for my unboxing. It's only a couple items. I mentioned the person's stream and in the intro. Their link will be down below. But yesterday we were at the funeral home, and we had to make plans. We had to, you know what you do at the funeral home, because this past Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, we lost our mother. I will have a picture with my video with my mom, me, my two brothers, Fred and Mike, my brother who we lost in 2016, and my sister Barbara, as the screenshot thingy-majiggy for the front picture. I will also put a GoFundMe in the description down below, because we really need help with some donations, and that will be very much appreciative. And thank you all in advance if you donate. Anything counts. Like, donate any amount that you want. It would be much appreciative, and thank you very much. I will get on with the unboxing. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I am back. And remember, it's not a goodbye, it's see you later. Alright, I got the box. I just start ripping the taping off. I should really use this. There we go. That was quick. Oh, thank you. Packing these two items up very nicely. And here we have Kaido House Mini GT. I normally don't open my cars, but I'm going to, because I want to see what these things look like. This is a Honda NSX. That's what it looks like on a box, but I want to open it, and I never open my items. I don't like to, but I want to see what this thing looks like. I want to see what all the Kajagoogoo is over these Kaido houses. And these things are supposed to be like the elite of diecast. If I don't, like, I want to be able to see the car, to be honest with you. I want to, like, I'm not going to take it out of the box. I'm just going to take the lid off. Of both of them, because I really want to see it, and if I like it, I'll probably get some more down the line. But me, my brother and sister have a funeral to prepare for, so I'm not really buying anything for a while. I don't know how long a while is, but it's gonna be a while. Alright, here we go. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's a pretty neat looking car. I like that. I like that. And it just fell out of the box. It feels nice. Smell it. Open up your mouth and take a bite. Silly jelly beans, you can't do that. You're in a camera. But ooh, that came out pretty easily. I like that a lot. Ooh, I like that a lot. Put the lid back on. That's Kaido House. That's pretty sick. I think I'm going to get these. A couple more. I'm gonna get a shelf, especially for Kaido houses. And like I said to people, I'm not a I don't chase after chases. You know, if I get a chase, woohoo, awesome. But I'm not buying chases. I don't care for chases. And people that just run after chases, they ruin the friggin', they ruin it, like, very much. They go after chases just to friggin' sell them for an extreme amount of money. Like, it's bullcrap. And I'm not out for that, like I said. And people that actually pay like up to thousands of dollars for a small car, I don't know. I don't know. Could always do something better with that money. And like, I don't know. I'm just rambling on right now. And all this extra tape and stuff, it's bollocks. But I will be getting a shelf for more of my M2s. More of my M2s. Ooh, Datsun 510 4x4 wagon. Ooh, I can't wait to see this. This was the one I was more excited about. Woohoo! Oh, baby. Oh, that came out nice and quick. Oh, it comes with surfboards and stuff. Oh, that's nice. Oh my God, that's so nice. That's cool. It comes with surfboards and everything. That's pretty dope. I like it a lot. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Yep. Alright. That's pretty cool. I like that very much. There's some weight to these things. Some weight. No, I did not get any chases, so these came out of the box pretty nice. Going back in the box pretty nice. Oh, I think I got this in backwards. There we go. Yup. I like that. Thank you very much. And thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share it, and subscribe. And please check out my GoFundMe for my mother. I appreciate it very much. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Peace.